This is LanguageCert Achiever B1 Entry Level 3 International ESOL Speaking. My name's Angelina. What's your full name?
My full name is Syed Ahmed Ali.
Can you spell your name?
Yeah, sure. SYED Syed AHMER Ahmed ALI Ali.
All right. Which country are you from?
I'm from Pakistan, Karachi.
Now, I'm going to ask you some questions about yourself. Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Let's talk about furniture. Is expensive
Furni-
furniture worth buying in your opinion?
Furniture is a source of decoration from your house. It's already expensive because of its wooden cost. And cheaper furniture is not reliable because of fungus was take over them. Especially its wood or iron was used in a furniture that was very low quality. Somehow they take rust and useless after some time.
All right. What type of furniture do you prefer, comfortable or stylish? Why?
I like to prefer comfortable furniture because you spend on a time on that. If you have an uncomfortable chair, you can spend or creative work with that chair. Because of my nature of work is a creative, because I'm a graphic designer. That's why I used comfortable furniture. Uh,
Do you think repairing old furniture is a good idea? Why or why not?
Yes, because it's a cost efficient sometimes. But some carpenters or furniture mender was very expensive. That's why it depends on the furniture's quality or its condition. If you replace or if you repair.
Do you prefer modern or antique furniture? Why?
I like to prefer antique furniture because it was very stylish. The color combination and the texture on that furniture. Uh, uh, and I like old things. That's why I want to buy a antique furniture. It's help to increase your house beauty and room decoration.
Thank you. Now, part 2. We are going to role play some situations. I want you to start or respond. First situation. I'm your English teacher. I start. Why haven't you done your homework?
Because of last night I'm going in a marriage ceremony, and I'm come late because it's my cousin's wedding. So I go early there and come late night, because that's why I'm not done my homework.
Second situation. I'm a tourist in your town. I start. Excuse me, is there a shopping center nearby?
Yes, there is a lot of shopping center near to you. I am prepared. You go right and go straight, then left. There is a huge shopping mall. You can buy easily or and affordable prices.
Okay, let's continue now. We are neighbors and you're having a party at the weekend. You start.
Hello, Miss Angelina.
Hey,
Uh, I had a party on Saturday. Will you join us?
I would love to join. How long it's been you have moved in the neighborhood?
I'm moved here last week, and that's why I want to meet our neighbor. That's why I'm getting a party.
That's fantastic. I'm a vegan. I don't eat meat. So I hope I don't give you a tough time.
No, no, no. I arrange vegetarian food and non-vegetarian food both. You can enjoy food in my party.
Thank you. Second situation. I'm your boss and you want to leave early from work. You start.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Uh, I have a headache since last night. I early, but can't overcome on my headache. Please grant me a leave, half day leave for a day. It's a very thank. I'm really very thankful to you.
Certainly, you may take a leave and take care of yourself.
Thank you.
This is the end of part 2. Now we'll begin with part 3. I'm going to show you a question on the screen. 3. Part 3. We're going to discuss something together. Our English class is bringing out a school magazine. We need to decide what to put in it. Let's ask and answer questions to help us make some decisions. Here is your question on the screen. Please have a look at the task sheet. Start again.
Okay. I want to photographs from school trip.
Okay, we can put that. Why do you think that there should be photographs from school trips in the magazine?
Because it's represent our education institute. We are extracurricular activities and studies too. That's why I used to prefer uh, school trip photograph.
Okay, I think we should also put some jokes and cartoons because as you know that everyone in the class and in the school is very fun-loving and cool. I think jokes and cartoons would be a nicer option. What do you suggest?
No, this is a cover of our photo. Uh, uh, um, that was not sensible for me, jokes and the cartoons. You can put infographics on that, but not for us funny character or other stuff. I think it's working.
Okay, so what do you suggest about sports news? Should we put it in the magazine?
Mm, I think it's working on a sports news because we have a huge ground and we put and we take some photographs. The student was playing over there uh, and playing over there, and so we can put the photographs on a cover letter on a cover page. That's help to enhance our uh, institute grandness
I
uh,
think
uh,
the most important thing would be putting in articles about school life, and I would want each student from the class to write because this is an English class and everyone is working on their English. So I think it would be a nicer idea if we can put in the magazine articles written by every student about their school life. What do you say?
yes, But my suggestion was you can display the picture of classes and the students' activities uh, because it's help to in
Thank you so much. Now, part 4.
okay.
Now, I would want you to talk for 1.5 minutes about the topic how your town has changed over the last 10 years. You have 1.5 minutes for it, and your time begins now.
I I have a small town, and there is a lot of green places and trees and fields over here. But time is now changed. The people are more educated, and they left the gardening and farming, and they build they build over there the shop and the fields uh, and garden was shorter day by day. It's not a good sign for our village or our economical economical or food crisis. I think it was greenery and the field was the attraction of our village. But now, when the people start building over the shops and the houses, they lost the beauty, and uh, and food prices was also high because of not enough crops and grains growing and fulfill the people needs. It's a very big drawback, and electricity was come in our town in the last 5 years, and people use it very often. They buy ACs and other stuff or householding stuff. They gained and it's the gain pollution in our neighborhood, and because of its uh, uh, and other thing I noticed in the past few days, people most of the people buying motor cars and the bikes. It's
Thank
contain
you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Now, could you please answer some of my questions? Why do people move from villages to big cities?
because of um, because of especially for the education purpose. In cities, you can easily approach education or hospitals and the supermarket, and it's very time saving in cities. But in a village, schools and colleges and hospitals are on a very distance. That's why people moves village to cities.
What other changes would you like to see in your town?
I see the changes in my town. Uh, People of my village is prefer build houses on his field because they fulfill their family needs, and it's a very terrible situation nowadays. Now I see.
How can we improve our towns?
Yes, we can improve our towns with building schools, hospitals, and education institute, because education is very necessary for all human beings and pupils, and it's a birthright. So that's I suggest to my ministers and uh, 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 pupil to build schools and hospitals over there, uh,
Thank you.
because
Thank you. Thank you so much. This is the end of the test. Today your score is barely 26 out of 50. That is still a pass, but that's not a high pass.